Hi, it's Evelyn. Happy Monday to you. Today, the day of this video that I'm creating is actually September 30th, 2024. So if you're watching the replay, and just want you to have this for context, but um, I am so thankful to have you as part of my customer group, which is why you're receiving this video. But I wanted to let you know, I don't know if this is the right thing for you, but if you have been loving the Norwex products and you're using them in your home consistently, you're finding yourself getting laundry detergent, booster, the dishwasher, or maybe wanting to expand into like the bathroom. Getting the bathroom cleaner and maybe getting yourself an extra mop or just consistently using the Norwex. So maybe you have pets and you're wanting to get into the pet product line. Maybe Christmas is coming up and you just want to shop at wholesale discount. This is a great time because Norwex has offered up for just another really day, 24 hours, okay, this opportunity for you to open up a consultant account for free. You just cover the shipping, which is $9.95 or $9.99, one of those. And they'll send you some samples and things like that for you to share if you wanted to. But also, it gives you an opportunity to shop for these products that you're consistently using at wholesale cost. As a customer, you might not know this, but you already have the opportunity to shop on auto ship, where it ships to you every month or every 3 months. And some of you are already doing this, or every 6 months. Now, if you add up all the items that you use, so detergent, like the dishwasher detergent, which is phenomenal, we love it. It's best out there. I only use half a scoop of that little scoop anyway for full load. But anyway, and then like the laundry detergent and the stain remover and the booster and the bright and white booster, dish liquid, things like that that you would run to the store anyway to go get, you can get it on auto ship and at an additional 10% off for your next order, right? So any of that future order. So you place it the first time, and then that next one you get 10% off. So and then if you add it up to 150 retail, you get free shipping. So you can add up the things that you use, every 3 months kind of thing, and bulk it up and just have it ready. So I think it's great for you to do that as a customer anyway. But at a consultant rate, you're going to get your 35% discount, right? Wholesale. Plus, at your future ones, if you set up auto ship, then you'll get that additional 10%. So that is the benefit of being able to open up a consultant account now with the join for free option. And then I will help you set it up every 3 months like that. Okay. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of that. If you hadn't seen that come through on the emails, I just wanted to send it out one more time because it does end October 1st, noon central. So today is September 30th. It does end October 1st, noon central, 1 p.m. Eastern time. So there's just, a little less than 24 hours for this opportunity. If you are looking to shop, Norwex and gift it out, this is a great opportunity. In October, we are getting the holiday products available to you, which I will announce here soon. I actually have bought them myself so that I can showcase it, and we will have an opportunity for you to shop for it as well. So wanted to get that out to you. If you have any questions, just let me know. But what you want to do is, if you decide that you want to go ahead and open up a consultant account, you want to go to joinwithevelyn.com, and that'll take you directly to my site where you can then open it up as a consultant account. Now, if you go to the top here, I'm at my desktop. So if you're on mobile, it's a little different, but it's about the same idea. You can have it in any language, so English, Spanish, or French. So if you want it in Spanish, go ahead and switch it to Spanish, and it will show it to you here in Spanish. But for English, you just want to go here and click on the Join Us. Go ahead and type in an email, first name, last name, and you want to create yourself a password. Also, make sure you either select US or Canada. Obviously, US um, is where the majority of you guys are in. So go ahead and say yes to this and then join us. Okay, if you are reopening a consultant account, and maybe you are doing a welcome back and you want that you know join for free option, just go back to sign in and you'll be able to use the same prior email that you used before. But if you're just starting from scratch, go ahead and put in your email, first and last name, and then it'll give you the opportunity to go ahead and do that. So let me know if you have any questions. This is, of course, also an opportunity, even more if you are looking for some extra income. Norwex has been a very pivotal for us as a family in different ways, and so if you're looking for some fun funding or some retirement funding, this is a great way to also do that. Yeah. So go to joinwithevelyn.com and then just follow those instructions on each site, and that'll go. But let me know if you have any questions.